Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. Inspired to revamp your space with these trendy decor ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification to catch our next video. Here are some inspiring benefits of implanting indoor money plant placement hacks and expert tips for stylish and healthy plants. Enhance indoor air quality. Money plants are known for their air preferring properties and strategically placement within your home and can improve indoor air quality by removing toxins and pollutions, leading to a healthier living environment for your family. Natural decor elements. Indoor money plants add a touch of greenery and natural beauty to your home decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your living space. By strategically placing them in stylish and creative ways, you can elevate the look of any room and create more inviting atmosphere. Stress reduction. Research has shown that spending time in green environment and caring of indoor plants can help reduce stress levels and promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. By incorporating money plants into your home and elements expert placement tips, you can create tranquil indoor retreat where you can unwind and recharge after a long day. Improve productivity and focus. Indoor plants, including money plants, have been found in increased productivity and concentration levels, making them ideal additional additions to home offices, study areas, and workspaces. By strategically placing money plants in these spaces, you can create a more conducive environment for focused work and create thinking. Natural humidifiers. Money plants release moistures into their air through a process called transpirations, which can help increase humidity levels indoors and alleviate dryness, particularly during the winter months. By strategically placing money plants in rooms where humidity levels tend to be low, you can create a more comfortable and healthy indoor climates. Cost-effective decor. Money plants are low maintenance and relatively inexpensive compared to other indoor plants, making them a cost-effective options for adding greenery to your home. By learning expert placement hacks and tips, you can make the most of your money plants and achieve stylish and healthier decor without breaking the bank. Natural Feng Shui elements. In Feng Shui, money plants are believed to attract positive energy and prosperity with place in certain areas of the home. By incorporating expert placement tips based on Feng Shui principles, you can optimize the flow of energy within your home and invite abundance and good fortune into your life. Educational opportunities. Caring for indoor plants such as money plant can provide valuable educational opportunities for children and adults alike. While learning expert tips for placement, weathering, and maintenance, you can develop a deeper understanding of plants, care and clutter, and lifelong passion for gardening and green living. Sustainable living. Indoor plants, including money plants, contribute to sustainable living by purifying the air, reducing energy consumption, and promoting a connection to nature. By incorporating expert placement hacks and tips into your home, you can embrace a more eco-friendly lifestyle and contribute to a healthier plant for future generations. Personalized home environment. One of the greatest benefits of implanting indoor money plants placement hacks and expert tips it is ability to personalize your home environment according to your unique preference and style. Whether you are prefer minimal arrangements or less green display, you can use expert placement techniques to create a home that reflects your personality and enhance your quality to life. Overall, indoor money plants placement hacks and expert tips offer a wide range of inspiring benefits, from improving indoor air quality and reduce stress to enhancing home decor and promoting sustainable living. By incorporating these tips into your home, you can create stylish, healthy, and inviting indoor space where you can there and flourish. Thank you so much. Bye bye.